2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, lane departure warning, keyless entry, power passenger seat, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, climate control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.